Ready to level up your project management team with Jira? Hi everyone, Rahul here, and today, we're diving into the heart of Jira, creating your very own project, perfect for beginners looking to organize tasks and boost team collaboration. Let's get started. First things first, log into your Jira account and spot the Create Project button, usually located on your homepage or, sometimes, in the top navigation bar. Click it. You will see the project template options. Jira offers multiple different templates for various different teams. Carefully choose a template that best aligns with your project's needs. We have, for example, software development. Choose the best one for your team's needs. After selecting a template, you'll be prompted to enter essential project details. This involves providing a project name and a key, which is a unique abbreviation for your project. Make sure the project key is short, memorable, and relevant. Next, decide what type of project you are building. Once you fill in the required fields, you will have the choice to select your preferences and settings. If you are unsure what to choose, the default or recommendation settings can be used. With the project created, you're ready to start customizing the board. Create and assign your first issues and start collaborating with your team. Using Jira empowers your team by centralizing the workflow.